I mean, blown away is an understatement. I just saw something so beautiful that it made me question my own existence. That tree is pretty badass too. This tree here produces the most beautiful fish in the world. This is just a couple examples of some of the most beautiful bluegill that I've ever seen. These fine specimens are all beautiful in their own right, but nothing compares to, well, literally, what the fuck? Hey. This is the most beautiful fish I've ever fucking seen.